Okay guys, another project for the 2500 HD. This time lights. I'm not talking about LED light bars, I'm talking about the cab lights. You can see them are pretty wore out. I could restore them. I wet sand them and like re-clear them, or like I did on the dually, smoke them. And actually I put LED bulbs in the dually too, as I smoked them, or after I smoked them. And they're still on the dually today, and I love the look. Gonna do a little something different with this truck. I found some really neat lights online, and I'm going to show you what I found. Okay guys, I found these really neat looking smoked or black lights, cab lights, from a company, PARTSam. They're on Amazon. I'll have a link, guys, to the part that I got on Amazon in the description. Also have all the specs on these lights. These are it looks like they sell this as a kit to add cab lights. I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to use my factory mounts and just screw these on. There will have to be wiring done because these are not bulbs. There's LEDs right inside the light, and there's actually quite a bit more LEDs in this light than there is the factory light. So I figured I'd give these a try. I think they're around 50 some bucks for this set, which isn't bad for some cab lights. The black's gonna look awesome on the truck there. So I'm gonna start taking off these lights. We're gonna see what I'm gonna have to do. Hopefully, like I said, they're gonna bolt right on to the factory locations, but we'll see here, I guess. Okay guys, so here's what the factory piece looks like. You got the wire, you've got what looks like a ground, and then the parking lights, which is the brown wire. I'm guessing the black wire would be the ground. You got this plug-in that plugs into the light here, and that light has a bulb in it. I can do this one-handed. That plugs into this, and then there's a bulb. I believe that's a 194. Now what I did on the dually is I just put LED bulbs in here. But like I showed you, the bulbs, or the new lights that I have, the LEDs are integrated right into the light. There's also more of them than just one little bulb. So what I'm going to end up doing here is probably just going to cut this connector off and then just wire in the lights. It should be pretty easy. Okay guys, so what I ended up doing is pretty simple. I just stripped my a little bit of my wire back, and I just stuck it right in the plug-in. And then once I got them plugged in, I just wrapped this with some tape, electrical tape, and I'm going to call this good. This should be sealed. This should be a sealed deal. There's a gasket there, so shouldn't have any trouble with getting corrosion inside there. This way I don't have to snip my plug. I won't have to actually wreck any of the factory wiring harness. And another thing is, I can't do it one-handed, but it looks like it's going to be a direct swap here. So I'm going to be able to use the factory clips, factory holes, factory screws, everything. So this is going to be a very, very easy upgrade here. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to do that middle light, make sure that is a direct swap, so I can tell you guys that or not. I think it will be. Okay guys, so a little more information on the wiring. The red wire on the light will go to the brown wire on the truck. That's the positive. and then the black wire on the lights will go to the black wire on the truck side. So there it is installed, guys. You want to screw these down. You need them tight because you can't let water get in there, but you can't go so crazy that you're gonna crack the plastic. So just snug them bolts up, guys, and that's pretty neat looking. I'm gonna move on to the big one there. Okay, guys, center one again, direct swap. Took my wiring, just kind of snipped it off and pushed it into the plug, taped it up. Same with this one. And very easy swap here. And I mean, what would you rather have, that or that? I think these come in different colors, clear and smoked, I believe. And yeah, I mean, much better looking. And I may put a little bit of silicone around here just to make sure, because these are aftermarket lights. And I'm not going to do it now. And then I got to detail these screws or find some new ones. But obviously I got to do some paint work and stuff on this roof. So it doesn't make any sense to seal these up right now. So let's get down. I'll clean up here and we'll take a look and see what these things look like. Okay, guys, so there they are from down here. Much better. They blend in really nice. Now let's turn them on. And there they are on. Them are awesome. Them are way better than the factory ones. Way better. And actually those lights come in different colors, guys. I think they have all kinds of them. White, green, a bunch of different colors. I mean, I prefer the amber because it's, you know, that's the traditional cab lights are amber. But they have other options, and like I said, I think they have them in clear. So very easy swap here, guys. The hardest part was actually unplugging the old lights. So if you got some cab lights and you want LED, these are pretty awesome. Well, there it is, guys. If the dually didn't have the light bar in front of my cab lights, I'd definitely get a set for that, but no reason getting a nice set of cab lights if no one's going to be able to see them anyway. So that's going to do it for me, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.